This is what comes in the package when you get it. It comes like this. It'll give you two props, usually counterclockwise and clockwise props. I don't use these. I use the master screw. So generally what I'll do, they'll come long. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this motor out. You notice it does not have the threading for the prop on here because it comes separately. You can change the threading for clockwise or counterclockwise on here with these motors, which are great. So it comes in with some screws, and I just kind of put this off to the side here. And in this package, you got some screws that will fit on here. And what this one does is, I'm not going to use this because the master screw has its own screws. So this is going to go on top of here, and then all you do is put your bolts on here. This is going to be the threading on this one is counterclockwise. Alright, so on this one here, I believe this is probably counterclockwise is what this one is. So we're going to verify that with the props here. So let's see here, I'll tell you in just a second. And it's either going to go on or not go on. So this is the props here. So this is what counterclockwise, basically you got the leading edge, so this is going to spin this way, the leading edge, and then you got your trail edge. This is the direction that the blade is going to be spinning. The prop is going to be spinning in this direction. So that's what this is going to be. So this one should fit, the new one should fit the same way. Let's find out. Usually the clockwise will not fit on here because of the threading directions. So we've got to make sure it does work. If not, I can change them around. That's not a problem because I can use the other ones. So this one does not fit on here because probably the threading is different. So right, so it's not. This must be a clockwise threading. Yeah, it doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this one off here, and I'm going to put that onto this motor here to complete it. Okay, and this one will have the same direction. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and go to the next section on here, and I'll tell you how I tore this apart.